Have you ever looked around at your life and thought, is this it? Maybe you've checked all the boxes: career, family, responsibilities, but somehow you still feel lost, stuck in a rut, or unsure of who you are now. If this is what you're feeling, I want you to know you're not broken. You're in the middle of something powerful. This is the season of becoming. Let's talk about how to find your way back to you. And if you stick around to the very end, I'm going to share one powerful question that helped me get unstuck during one of my hardest midlife moments. It completely shifted how I saw myself, and it might do the same for you. Ready to get unstuck? Let's go. Welcome back to Balance and Bloom 50 Plus. If you're new here, I'm Lori, a mental health therapist dedicated to empowering women like myself through menopause and helping them thrive beyond it. Today, we're discussing something that so many of us feel but don't always talk about. What do you do when you feel lost in midlife? Maybe your kids are grown, your career doesn't feel fulfilling anymore, or you're just wondering, who are you now? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. I've been there myself. Let's talk about what this season really means and how you can gently start reinventing yourself from the inside out. Midlife often brings a subtle but powerful identity shift. For decades, many of us were defined by our roles: mother, partner, caregiver, professional. But what happens when those roles change or fade? Therapeutically speaking, this is called an identity void. It's a very real, very normal part of development, and not a sign that you failed. It's actually a sign of growth. Hormonal changes, especially during perimenopause and menopause, can intensify these feelings. Estrogen affects mood regulation, memory, and motivation. So you might feel more anxious, emotionally flat, or confused. That's not weakness, it's biology. But here's the reframe I want to offer. Feeling lost isn't the end of your story. It's the start of your reinvention. So where do you start when you're not sure who you are anymore? Here are 3 therapeutic steps that I often use with clients and myself. Number 1, reconnect with curiosity. Instead of asking, what's wrong with me? Ask, what feels exciting to explore? Journal for 5 minutes a day, not to figure it all out, but to notice what draws your attention: a color, a place, a forgotten dream. Curiosity is the doorway to clarity. Number 2, listen to your body. Midlife reinvention isn't just mental, it's physical. Your body stores wisdom. Start a practice that helps you tune in. Take walks without your phone. Do gentle stretching or mindful breathing. Ask yourself, what do I need today? And let that guide your choices. Number 3, set micro intentions. You don't need a 5-year plan. Start with one tiny shift. Today, I'll eat a nourishing breakfast. This week, I'll try that dance class I keep thinking about. Tomorrow, I'll learn how to garden. Consistency in small actions rewires the brain and rebuilds confidence. Sometimes we get so tangled in what others need from us or expect from us that we stop asking what we actually want. Not what's practical, not what's polite, not what keeps the peace, but what your soul is quietly craving. So here's the question I want to leave you with today, one that shifted everything for me during a time when I felt completely lost. If no one else's expectations mattered, what would you choose for your next chapter? Take a breath, sit with it, maybe even write it down. Reinventing yourself in midlife isn't about becoming someone new. It's about remembering who you've always been before the expectations. the busyness, and the burnout. Give yourself permission to explore, to rest, to grow in a direction that feels meaningful now. You are not behind. You are exactly on time. If this spoke to you today, I'd love for you to leave a comment and share one small way you're reinventing yourself. And if you haven't already, give this video a like and be sure to subscribe for more therapeutic feel-good tips during perimenopause and menopause. I know how hard this stage of life can feel. I've been there too. But when you start to see it through a new lens and notice the beauty tucked inside the changes, everything begins to shift. Your mindset, your energy, even your sense of purpose. Until next time, breathe, bloom, and be kind to yourself. Wait, don't leave quite yet. I've still got some valuable information to help you on your perimenopause and menopause journey. Be sure to click the next video for more resolutions to midlife issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.